potty. Go. Go on. Go on. Go potty. Go. I know you have to go potty. She hates the snow. What dog hates snow besides mine? Here's the snow. I'm sure everybody's been showing snow all day, and it keeps snowing, which is lovely. We're going to get more tonight. So, and the dog, she don't want to go out. She don't want to go potty. She hates the snow. I bundled her up in her jacket and her coat, but no, she doesn't want to go out. So I guess she's going to hold her pee for like days now. I don't know. But anybody else's dog that's stubborn? I don't know. To be continued.